What's up YouTube, my name is PixelBeard over at Mixer, and today we're going to do an OBS tutorial on how to do either push to talk or push to mute in OBS, so all you guys can use it. And when you hold the button, it looks like this, because I use push to mute, but you can invert them. Alright, let's go. Alright, go over to your computer, open your browser, and in Google type IMPUT Overlay OBS. That will bring you to the OBS project forum, and you can go click download there. Make sure you get the right version for your system. Windows is ours. Once downloaded, find it and extract all. Once it's extracted, find the plugin folder and copy what's inside this folder. There will be data and OBS plugin. Now I suggest opening a new window because we'll need to navigate to the OBS install folder. So that would be C, program file, and OBS Studio. Once you found the folder, you'll see that inside there's already a folder called OBS plugin and data. You will paste on top of that. But this will not delete any existing plugin, so you don't have to be worried about this. Click continue. Now we'll have to go back to our downloaded folder and we'll go into preset. Now you'll need to unzip one of the presets. I've selected QWERTY arrows because it showed the full keyboard and you can test every single button to your heart's content. This is just a preview of what it will look like once in OBS. Once in OBS, click on the add source and select input overlay. Name it whatever you want. On the top box, you will select the image from the preset, and on the bottom box, you will select the config file for the same preset. Okay, so we're talking about QWERTY arrows again. Now you can go ahead and resize that and type on your keyboard. You'll see it will light up on screen. Hey, you're still with us. Apparently I wasn't going fast enough. Okay, perfect. We can go faster. So far, we've downloaded, unzipped, installed and applied the plugin into your OBS scene. We saw a big size keyboard, we shrunk it, we typed on a little bit, we made sure the corresponding key would light up in OBS. Perfection, it's working, your computer supports the plugin. Now take that and delete everything. Go in the description and download the file for phase 2. Phase 2, I've taken a full-size keyboard, I made it one key, made it look like a microphone. A bit differently than this one, because this one is my own, but something that you can use for free forever. I'm giving it to you, it's custom made. You can do your own in Photoshop. It's fairly easy, just go on the GitHub and get all the specification. Before we go any further though, if you want to have any other tip, consider subscribing, but specifically, come and see me over at Mixer, we have a lot of fun. Alright, let's go! So now this is the content of the file you've just downloaded from whatever sources I've provided. You have two options, push to talk, push to mute. So you want to open the config file into Notepad and note that's the key I'm using. That's probably F24 or something. To get a different key, just copy this thing into your browser. You have a list of every single key on a regular keyboard. Get the code to the right, okay, next to your key. So we'll use the left control key for the test. Copy that, paste it on top of this one, paste, and save. Now we're going back into OBS, get a new input overlay, name it PTT PixelBeard. On the top one, get the image, either push to mute or push to talk. Second box, use the config file, resize that to your liking, put it in a corner, and now if I press left control, it's working. I hope you guys enjoyed that. See you in the next video or see you over at Mixer. Peace!